about your plans. Just one more chance to hear my prayers.